Welcome back everyone. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you the latest updates and tools that you can expect to find on our website. Now, you can use all of your current credits which you already have to create this kind of tool, this kind of book. This is the new tool which we're releasing today, which is the AI Children's Book Creator. And you heard right, it can create an entire children's book in a single click with text on the images. Unbelievable? Well, believe it. The best part is you can actually put an image of one of your children or of yourself over here just by pressing this, and then it will create a book based on the image of the person. So let me show you an example of my daughter, whose picture you'll find over here. So here's an example of a book I made about my own daughter. So I uploaded her picture over here. Now have a look at the resulting pictures. So as you can see, the images are completely and utterly almost identical to how she looks. The only difference is that now I can actually sell this book or give it to her as a gift. So this is wonderful and a very exciting and fun time in AI history. But this is not all we have. For those of you who didn't see our email of last or 2 weeks ago, we released the AI Coloring Book Creator. To find it, you click on Book and then Image Book. This will allow you to create an entire coloring book in a single click. So for example, to show you one that's already been made, here's an example of a 3-page book. I know it's very short, but just for the example, you can see 3 coloring pages which are automatically generated in one go. And the way it works, you just click on Create a New Book and then select the style by pressing this button and then deciding what category, like for example, cute animals, and then just going like this, clicking the magic wand and generate your book. Fine, it was a bit more than one click, but then what you can expect to happen is a bunch of AI coloring book page images created just like that in front of your eyes. That's all for that. Let me just show you, if you haven't yet seen our book creator, Book in a Click. It's also a regular book creator which creates books from scratch. To get started, you click on Start Now. Then you type the name of the book and the number of chapters. You can suggest a storyline if you feel like it. If you leave that blank, it's fine. It will make a book based on the title of the book. And then you can see one that I'm actually creating right now as we speak. This book is about accounting for beginners. And you can see these are the chapters and the one that it's writing right now. Now, once this book is finished, it will be downloaded as a doc file, which can then be processed very simply and then uploaded to Amazon KDP for a profit. So for those of you who don't know, all of our apps can be found in the apps menu up here. Imaging apps are in the image section, and we've recently released an image enlarger which enlarges any image to 4K. Find and replace using text in an image, meaning let's say you have a person or a dog that you don't want in the photo, you can use that. Brush and fill lets you create backgrounds or extend images. The image book creator we talked about already. Consistent character and a children's book creator we talked about already. Thank you for watching this video. I was Daniel, just updating you on the latest updates. Make sure you follow our channel so that we can always keep you updated with the latest tool, and bye for now.